tuck shoulder stand to tuck L-sit on P-bars. If you're an adult gymnastics skill seeker who wants to unlock some fun skills on the P-bars that will also improve your upper body strength for movements like handstands and planches, check this out. The tuck shoulder stand to tuck L-sit is a combination of both straight arm and bent arm strength that is super challenging. Here's how it works. When first learning this movement, I recommend starting in the tuck shoulder stand and then lowering down to the tuck L-sit. Simply working the eccentric phase of the movement will help you build the strength required to move from the tuck L-sit to the tuck shoulder stand. After lowering down from the tuck shoulder stand to the L-sit, you can place your feet on the floor, then reset for the next rep. I covered this in more detail in the following chapters. To perform repetitions of the tuck shoulder stand to tuck L-sit, I like to start in the tuck L-sit. Set the P-bars to be a cubit distance apart. A cubit is the distance from the tip of your middle finger to the tip of your elbow. If you have wider hips, you might need to make the P-bars wider. Stand with your feet slightly forward of the P-bars. Grip the P-bars with straight arms and sit down into a tuck shape. Actively push down into the P-bars by depressing your shoulders hard while lifting your chest up. Next, lift your feet off the floor and move into a tight tuck L-sit with the inside edge of your feet pushed together and your thighs pulled up towards your torso. Hold the tuck L-sit for 3 to 5 seconds. From here, push down into the P-bars nice and hard as you lean your shoulders forward and start to bend your elbows to lower your shoulders down towards the P-bars. Notice how the elbows stay vertically stacked above the wrists. The forearms are perpendicular to the floor. To achieve this, you must lean your shoulders forward. As the shoulders move forward and down, the hips move up and back. Focus on maintaining the tight tuck and keeping your elbows close by your sides as you transition into the tuck shoulder stand. Continue to lift the hips up until they're vertically stacked above your wrists and elbows. This is where you'll find balance. You can then open the angle between your thighs and torso to move into a more open tuck shoulder stand with the heels of your feet close to your butt. Hold the tuck shoulder stand for 3 to 5 seconds before reversing the movement. To perform the eccentric tuck shoulder stand to tuck L-sit, start by moving into a tight tuck by closing the angle between your thighs and torso. Once in the tight tuck, press down into the P-bars hard as you move your shoulders forward and up. As the shoulders move forward and up, the hips move back and down. Focus on maintaining the tight tuck shape and keeping your elbows close by your sides as you transition into the tuck L-sit. Notice how the elbows stay vertically stacked above the wrists. The forearms are perpendicular to the floor. To achieve this, you must lean your shoulders forward as you transition from the shoulder stand to the L-sit. Learn to master the tuck shoulder stand to tuck L-sit before you start working on the tuck L-sit to tuck shoulder stand. The eccentric is a lot easier than the concentric. Once you unlock the full movement, being able to perform 3 to 5 reps is a good target to aim for. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.